Hey y'all, it's Leaping Prep. I went to Walmart today and I got me a tackle box for my medical kit. And it has a lot of drawers in it. I'm going to put the camera down so y'all can see it a little bit. See it? It has a lot of drawers in it. And a lot of space down here. Can y'all see that? I hope y'all can see that. These drawers, they open all the way. I have a lot of stuff in here. I've stopped bleeding here. I have all kinds of things in here. I have tongue pressers. I have Q-tips. I have Band-Aids. I have back pain patches. I have all kinds of things in here for my medical. I have bug bite cream. I have burnt cream. I have all kinds of things in here. Yeah. This is my new medical kit right here. And it also has this door up here so I could put things in here. And I just wanted to show y'all I will be going to Walmart and getting me some more things to put in here to show y'all guys. It opens easy. No metal latch. Just it's got that plastic latch. And the doors come up all the way. I have all that in there. I got bandages. I got tape. I got all kinds of things. I got headache medicine, and I got hand sanitizer. I have all that in here. Yep, but I still can put a little bit more. So when I go to Walmart, I will be buying me some more stuff to put in my medical kit. And I really like this box. And I like it because it's got these two little things up here. Can y'all see that? These two little things. And it's got this pocket up here and it snaps. See? Y'all hear that? Snaps. Okay, you guys. Y'all hit that like button and y'all hit that share button and y'all hit that subscribe so y'all will get every video. You gotta hit that bell so you get every video that I make too. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna let y'all go. I really got me a good deal on a tent. I'll do that video next. A little later on. It's really heavy. I got to get my husband to get it out of the truck. But y'all are not going to believe the deal that I saved on a tent. You're just not going to believe it. And it also come from Walmart. Okay, you guys, y'all hit that subscribe button and hit that bell so y'all get every video that I make. Okay, you guys, y'all share this video. I love y'all and y'all have a blessed day. Leaping Prep out.